lube up this really dry chain right here. It needs some love, so I'm using White Lightning Epic Ride. It's like a silicone, and it's used for all weather. I've used it when in wet climates and dry climates. It's pretty good all around chain lube. You can hear that squeak right there. It's pretty bad. But yeah, let me this guy's, oh my gosh, this guy's brakes are super loose. Not good at all. It's real bad. No bueno. So yeah. So, you know, do not put a lot of lube on your chain like this. Most people, unless it's really dry. This is extremely dry chain. Extremely dry chain. So that's why I'm putting a little bit excessive amount, because it is extremely dry. Okay, so I'm gonna let that marinate in there. I'm gonna pump up his tires. I'm gonna use my Ryobi pump right here. Okay, so these are really good tires right here. Continental Tour Ride. What's the PSI on these bad boys? Probably like it's probably like 65. Yeah, 65 PSI right there. It's right there on the sidewall. Cool thing about this guy got to get back on the road. I'm gonna pump him up a little bit lower because his tires are cracking, which is not good. Come on. So let's set it to, I'm gonna set it to 55. 55. Okay, 55 PSI. He's missing a cap on there. Cap on there. Okay. Yeah. And this one was at 16 PSI, so he's really low. So put it at 55. Okay. Alright. So what I'm gonna do, tighten up those brakes real quick. It's a 5mm Allen key. Cool. Good as new. What kind of brand is this? It's a Fair Dale. Never heard of that brand, but it's pretty cool. Let me pick this sign up. Let me give a quick wipe to this. Sometimes when you're applying lube, you don't want it to get on the rim, so I like to do a quick wipe on the rim. Just some soapy water. I'm gonna wipe that chain. Now I'm gonna wipe the chain. Okay. See, no more squeaky. No more squeaky tire. I'm gonna get another clean rag. Wipe that. Wipe any chain lube that dripped on the rim. You don't want to get chain lube on your brake pads. So this is just clean water. It's clean water. There you go. Bada bing, bada boom. Let me get that. Let me get my, oh, forgot I had it in my pocket. It's your reflector right here. And there we go. Good as. We got some chain lube, pumped up the tires, tightened the brakes. Looking good.